Part 4. How to make money while you sleep. Passive income ideas. Hey everyone. Welcome back to From Broke to Wealthy. Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing money in your account without having to work for it. Today, I'll show you real passive income ideas that can make you money while you sleep. Let's go. What is passive income? Passive income equals money that comes in with little to no daily effort. It takes work upfront, but once it's set up, it keeps earning for you. This is how wealthy people create financial freedom. Passive income idea number 1. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks, companies that share profits with investors. Start with just $50, $100, month in ETFs or index funds. Reinvest dividends, kids let compound interest do the work. Passive income idea number 2. Real estate rentals. Buy a rental property or invest in real estate investment trusts. REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate with as little as $10 bonus tip. Rent out a spare room or list on Airbnb for extra cash. Passive income idea number 3. Selling digital products. Create and sell ebooks, templates, online courses, printables, or stock photos. Sell on Gumroad, Etsy, Teachable, or your own website. Do the work once, give sell forever. Passive income idea number 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love and earn commissions on every sale. Join Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareSale. No product needed, just share links and earn. Passive income idea number 5. YouTube and blogging. Start a YouTube channel like this one and monetize with ads and sponsorships. Start a blog, gives monetize with ads, affiliate links, and sponsored posts. These platforms can pay you for years from one piece of content. Passive income idea number 6. Print on demand. Design t-shirts, mugs, or stickers and sell on sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printify. No inventory, no shipping. The platform does the work, you get paid. Recap. Dividend stocks, real estate, digital products, affiliate marketing, YouTube, blogging, and print on demand. Next episode, Part 5. The fastest ways to get rich legally. Hit that like, comment below, and subscribe so you don't miss Part 5.